Hey everyone, it's Charlie Man Dan here. Hope you had a good Tuesday. Coming up on the holidays now. Tomorrow is a half day, so make sure you're cautious. Looking at JDST today. Today was another perfect example of how you can use gold to trade JNUG and JDST. I'll show you what I mean in a second. First, let's look at the daily chart. You can see it dipped down, found support off the 200-day moving average and the middle Bollinger Band, 20-day moving average. Bounced off there, higher close, nice volume. Next target we're looking at is a close above 25.88, which was this high close here. Once you get a close above that, you'll know that a test of this high up here is going to be coming up in the mid-30s, but that's a ways away, so take it one step at a time. Looking for a close over 25.88 to signal that this isn't going to be resistance up here. So what I was talking about with gold today, let's take a quick look at the gold candlestick chart. This is the chart I watched during the day. This is the 15-minute. You can see that 1175 was strong support for gold. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 bounces right here, right off of it. Didn't fail to break. And again, we had 1, 2, 3 bounces here. So you knew, looking at these low of days, that okay, 1175 is strong support. So if that level breaks, there's going to be some significant downside. Gold should drop substantially from there. So that's exactly what happened. That level broke. Let's just compare. It specifically broke at 2:35 p.m. Eastern time. So let's look at the 5-minute JDST chart. What happened at 2:35 Eastern time? That is at right here, this candlestick, and look at that. It opened at 1901 and it went all the way up to 22 before it had a pullback. So that's a $3 move. Huge gains to be had just by watching gold. You didn't even need to be looking at the JDST chart. I mean, you could easily see, okay, once we get above this little level here, it's going to have some significant upside. I wouldn't have even expected this big of a move because gold didn't drop that much. It dropped a couple bucks, dropped down to 172 from 175. But just this built-in sentiment that this was supposed to be strong support and it failed, that magnified in the reaction on JDST, and JNUG was the same. It was the inverse of that. It fell off a cliff when that happened. So that's just an example of how to use gold when trading JDST and JNUG, and I strongly suggest you start doing it if you're trading these tickers. I hope you guys have good holidays, and thanks for watching. If you want to subscribe, ask me any questions, comments, or do video requests, I'd be happy to do so. And I appreciate you watching. Have a good night.